3, 2, 1.
So we've just left Cowell and heading towards Coffin Bay. It's a short day today, 270 kilometres if we go straight there, but we're going to take a few detours along the way and see some of the sights. The weather seems to be absolutely beautiful.
So we've just stopped at Red Banks Beach, a beautiful little beach with some amazing cliffs and real life penguins for our perusal. It's definitely very windy at the moment, which prevents me from setting up the drone. Red Bank Beach is a beautiful sight.
So this is Ammo Bay. On our way to Coffin Bay from Cowell. We're just wanting to stop and grab a quick bite with the guys. I haven't had breakfast yet, so and it is 10 past 11, so we'll call it brunch. Taking a little detour towards Tumby Bay. Matt's Adventures, Dazza in the flesh, having a bit of a rest.
Note to self, Tumby Bay is absolutely beautiful. We stopped over for a toilet break and to just check it out, and it is stunning.
A lot of accommodation here, which means there's a lot of tourism. Yeah. It certainly is a busy little town. So our ride for today comes to a conclusion as we head into Coffin Bay. This place is meant to be the bee's knees. So I'm looking forward to this. Lovely houses here, right on the beach. So we'll be staying in a caravan park tonight. We've got a few rooms booked in. Oh, there's an emu on the road, or a couple of emus. Oh, 4, 5. There you go, a bit of wildlife.
Adventures. We're doing coleslaw camping style.
Mate, keep going, keep going, keep going. Don't be shy, don't be shy. Yeah, good. For now. Mix it and you'll see.
And then, what you're used to, give it a toss.
We came into Coffin Bay yesterday, and Andrew, a friend of ours, who happened to be staying here at the time, booked in a few rooms for us. which was a welcome change. We had slept 3 nights in a row in camping conditions, and suddenly we now have the luxury of staying in a room with our own personal toilet and shower, which is fantastic. It's phenomenal after 4 days. So yeah, the caravan park is beautiful. We had a barbecue last night. It was an amazing night, lots of laughter, some drinking, not too much, some drinking, and overall the experience has been fantastic. As you can see, the room is phenomenal. For $110, I would gladly pay it just to get a good night's sleep after 4 days on the road. But overall, fantastic experience so far. The weather has been great. We had a bit of wind, crosswind yesterday in our travels, but we're expecting a lot more of that today, and unfortunately some rain too. So far the sun is out and it's looking great. Let's see how we go.
So last night we tried the local oysters, apparently rated the best in the world. The Australian oysters are honestly quite sublime. So we had a half a dozen Kilpatrick oysters that didn't disappoint. Their crosswinds today are just a little bit too strong for my liking, and it's expected to be a lot worse. As we're heading towards Seduna, we're told that we are to expect thunderstorms and severe winds. So we're going to try and get there as soon as possible, as most of this will transpire later in the afternoon. So we're approximately 375 kilometers away at the moment, give or take. So it's going to be an interesting one. See you down the road. It's absolutely crazy here.
That fucking wind, boys.
That wind was knocking us around, so we had to take a small break at Streaky Bay.
We're only 82 kilometers away from Seduna, and the temperature at the moment is 27 degrees. Absolutely beautiful. It did rain just a little bit just before we got into Streaky Bay, but it only lasted for a couple of minutes. It's looking good for us at the moment. Fingers crossed we may have avoided most of the rain. Like I said, 82 kilometers outside of Seduna.